a Jeep for your birthday. Do you need me to help you?
Look, Daddy, it's a Jeep.
I see it, honey.
That's the moon.
Is that the moon?
Come climb up, buddy. We can show you how it goes. You get to drive it.
Driving wheels.
That's right.
Ready?
Ready.
How do you turn it on, Daddy?
There you go. Step on the gas pedal
Push the pedal with your foot.
with your foot. The other foot.
Other pedal.
There you go.
There you go.
Step on it.
Step on it.
Beep, beep.
You can do
Beep,
it.
beep. Go ahead. Step on it.
Hold the wheel.
Oops, you put it in reverse with this other foot.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Step on the gas.
The other way up.